Hi there, welcome to Cook Your Heart Out and the Kitchen Warehouse Test Kitchen. Today we are going to be making ricotta and spinach ravioli with butter and sage. Let's get started. Hit pause now and take a screenshot to save all your ingredients. You'll need a pan and pot, a large ravioli maker, a rolling pin, a grater, a pasta machine, a piping bag, and finally a food processor. Start by adding 200 grams of ricotta, 200 grams of fresh spinach, 40 grams of parmesan, some nutmeg, and a pinch of salt and pepper to your food processor. Now give it a blend. Once blended, scoop your filling into a piping bag. And now it's time to roll your pasta sheets. Once you are happy with your pasta's thickness, cut the pasta, leaving a small amount overhanging on the ravioli maker. Push the mold into the ravioli maker to create indents for your filling. Evenly fill up the center of each of the raviolis, making sure not to overfill them. Place your second pasta sheet over the ravioli maker and roll. Make sure you push hard enough so the raviolis cut. After removing the excess pasta, flip your raviolis. They should fall straight out. Now it's time to cook your ravioli. Add 100 grams of butter to your pan. Once melted, add 20 grams of fresh sage to the melted butter. When your water starts boiling, add the ravioli to the pot. Now that the pasta is cooked, strain the ravioli and add it to the pan and stir. There you go. Spinach and ricotta ravioli with sage and butter. All we have to do now is give it a bit of a garnish. So let's go. We're going to do some lemon zest, some parmesan, and then just a little pinch of cracked pepper on top. Doesn't that look pretty? Might have to give it a try now. So good. It's really, really tasty. So delicious. Why don't you guys give it a try at home? And I'll see you next time.